So, why did you want to challenge gender-based violence, or why did Pratiti appeal to you?
Um, Actually, the thing is, I was always interested in the LGBT, right? After I read a lot of articles about it and all that, so I supported these rights. But for me, it is more of a personal challenge, right? I wanted to see that if I was actually put into such a situation in which I am supposed to interact with people of the other identities, how would I react to it? So this is one of the major factors which attracted me to Pratiti. It was more for self journey, self realization. That a challenge for myself, and also it was a very new for me. It is a very new concept, so I really wanted to get a little more hands down with the project. So that's why I applied to it.
And how is Pratiti helping you do all this? Or how is your journey going?
It's an interesting journey. It's taken turns which are not expected at all about myself or about others. But at the same time, I've learned quite a bit of things about myself. Others, maybe not so much about others, but more about myself, which what was one of the prime things I came to do to understand myself and to uh, make myself to be a better person, that I could react well with others. Like if somebody told me that they were gay, instead of going, oh my fucking god, instead of go, okay, in a little more relaxed manner. So that was the thing. So it's been interesting. Some expected, some non expected. So let's see. There's still some time left.
Okay. And what is your project? What are the issues you're tackling?
Our project actually is we are trying to make a safe university space for students or people basically from universities onwards who would like to come and talk about such problems, who want to talk about sexuality, gender, and other things, and related topics and subtopics. This is what we are trying to create. So what we have chosen is the Queer Campus. Dhruv is affiliated to the Queer Campus, and we are hoping to revive Queer Campus, and at the same time find some sort of people who will help lead it after once the project is over, to help lead it and further it on. So right now it has been interesting. First day, not so good response as expected. No, actually it was not expected. We expected a bigger response, but what are you gonna do about it? Then second session was better response, yay! And now we have few more. So probably I do not think we'll get the same number of people as expected, like we had got in the second session. But well, we use a very good bait. Now let's see if it works.
Okay. What about Pratiti have you liked so far?
What about Pratiti? It's what I understand that Pratiti, we're trying to build a community, right? But what I personally like is the individuals, the interactions with different individuals. I've not interacted with everybody, but I've interacted with select few, and I've enjoyed those interactions, getting to know them, seeing their reactions, and how they engage with others, and how you realize that. People are not that different from you. Only maybe the outward behavior is different, but at the same time, then you also realize there are people who are actually different from you. There are people who are like smarter than you, would know more things than you do. So it's kind of interesting. The and obviously community obviously takes different elements to work together. Yes, so it's a mixed pot of things. You obviously can't have complete like symphony, and that everybody should be same. So it's an interesting melting pot, I guess, of things.
Okay.